Hello guys, welcome back to ITEK Studios. Have you ever noticed your computer or laptop getting slower over time, even though you haven't installed anything heavy? Maybe your CPU usage spikes for no reason, your fan suddenly goes wild, or your battery drains faster than it used to. Well, here is the thing. Your Windows laptop is constantly running dozens of background services. Some are important, like handling updates or maintaining compatibility. But others, they are quietly eating up your CPU, memory, and even your internet bandwidth without adding any real value. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a list of unnecessary Windows services that you can safely disable to improve performance, free up resources, and make your PC run smoother and faster. I'll walk you through each one step by step. Let's jump straight in. Let's start with a sneaky one, Windows Update Delivery Optimization. Now this service is designed to share parts of your Windows update with other PCs on your network. Basically, it uses your bandwidth to help others download updates faster. It sounds smart in theory, but in reality, it can slow down your own internet and system performance, especially when you least expect it. Here is how to disable it. Right-click the Start menu and click Settings. From the left sidebar, click Windows Update. Under More Options, click on Advanced Options. Under Additional Options, click on Delivery Optimization. At the top, turn off the option that says Allow downloads from other PCs. This stops your computer from sending or receiving update files to other devices, saving your bandwidth and reducing background CPU activity. Next up, let's talk about the Windows Mobile Hotspot service. This one lets your PC act as a Wi-Fi hotspot, sharing your internet connection with other devices. It's useful only if you actually use your laptop as a hotspot. But let's be real, most people don't. When it's running unnecessarily, it consumes CPU and memory, and even interferes with your network adapter. Click on the Windows search and then type Services. Click on it to open it. This will open the Services panel. Scroll down and find Windows Mobile Hotspot Service. Double click it, and then set the startup type to Disabled. Then you click Stop, then Apply and OK. After doing this, you stop one of the most useless background services for most users. Now, this next one is all about privacy and performance, telemetry and error reporting. Microsoft collects diagnostic data, crash logs, and usage information to improve your experience. But let's be honest, that's not always something we want happening in the background. Not only does it send data back to Microsoft, but it also ends up eating system resources while doing it. To disable these services, in the same Services window, look for Connected User Experience and Telemetry. Double-click it, and then set the startup type to Disabled. Click Stop, Apply, then click OK. Next, scroll down and find Windows Error Reporting Service. Once you find it, double-click to open it. Under its startup type, set it to Disabled. Click Stop if available. Apply, then click OK. By doing this, you will prevent Windows from constantly uploading data and crash logs in the background, giving you more control over your system and privacy. The next one is Program Compatibility Assistance Service. This service was originally designed to help older apps like those made for Windows XP or 7 run on newer versions of Windows. That was helpful back in the day, but now with modern Windows 10 and 11 systems, almost every program is fully compatible without it. Keeping this service enabled just as unnecessary background activity. Find Program Compatibility Assistance Service. Double-click it. Under its startup type, set to Disabled. Click Stop. Apply, then click OK. Your system will still run perfectly fine, but with a little less overhead. The next one is a big one, Sysmain, also known as SuperFetch. Now, this service was meant to improve performance by preloading your most used programs into memory. It made sense years ago when hard drives were slow, but if you are using an SSD, which most modern laptops do, you don't need this anymore. In fact, Sysmain can actually hurt performance by constantly analyzing your usage patterns and moving data around, causing high disk or memory usage. In Services, scroll down to Sysmain, double-click it. Under Startup Type, set to Disabled. Click Stop, Apply, then OK. However, if you are still on an old hard drive, which is an HDD, you might still want to leave this enabled, but SSD users, definitely turn it off. Now here is something a lot of people overlook, third-party app services. Whenever you install software, some of them create their own background services that launch automatically with Windows. Even after uninstalling those programs, their services can still stick around, quietly consuming resources. To find and disable them, press the Windows key +R on your keyboard. Type msconfig. Click OK. In the System Configuration window, click the Services tab. Head down and check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Now you only see third-party ones. Take a few minutes to look through this list. If you see services from apps you no longer use, uncheck them. Click Apply and click OK. After disabling these, restart your PC, and I guarantee you will notice the difference in CPU load, memory load, and even internet responsiveness. Your laptop will feel lighter and faster. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more Windows optimization and performance tips right here on ITEK Studios. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.